How's it going, everybody? Today we are going to talk about the importance of capturing content at your events. For me, content is king. If there is one thing that I will always reinvest in, it is making better content. Because content is a part of the booking process always. Even if they're not seeing a video of yours and coming to your inbox, when you go to their inbox, they are typing your name into YouTube or Google to see who you are and if you actually do what you say you are doing. They want to see you speak. They want to watch your videos, but they also just want to see that other people have trusted you. So the more videos you have of you speaking in front of other people, the easier it is for decision makers to book you. You are literally relieving their anxiety with every single video that you post. Even if you're not speaking on stage, even if you're sitting in your room and you're doing a podcast with yourself and just getting some content about you talking about what you say you talk about, giving real information and actually helping your audience. If you do that and you're doing outreach at the same time and people look you up and they see your content and they see that you actually know what you're talking about, whether you're in front of people or not, they are more likely to book you. But if you reach out to them and they look up your name and you have nothing attached to it besides a website and a speaker's reel, they go to YouTube and there's no videos. That just means that they are going to be full of uncertainty, which is going to bring fear and anxiety around booking you. They don't know if they can trust you. It doesn't matter how good your website looks and how amazing speaker reel you have. If they do not know what your core values and message and teaching and all of that is about, I have noticed that year after year after year, as I gather more and more content, the booking process gets shorter and shorter and shorter. So much so that people are usually coming to discovery calls after watching numerous of my videos. They know exactly who I am and what I stand for, and they are excited. A lot of them actually say this exact sentence right here. I was watching his videos and we were just hoping that we could afford him. That's the power of content. It wasn't like that 10 years ago. Not at all. Now people that booked me a long time ago are coming back now saying, we see all these things that you're doing, all these stages that you're on, and we're just hoping that we can still afford you, because that is the value of perceived value that comes from content. A lot of you might be thinking, Jared, I don't have the money for content. Start with your phone. Everybody has a phone which they may be watching this from. Start with your laptop. I'm on my laptop right now. I'm not using the lights right now. I'm not using an external camera. I'm just using my laptop camera. But I'm still bringing you value in this video. So if you were a prospect of mine and I'm bringing you value and you see me now as valuable, you're more likely to book me. I think that at the end of the day, you can make every single excuse in the book that you want. I'm not good with technology. I don't know how to make content. I don't know how to edit. Just get something out there to start. There's no way you're going to get better if you don't start. There's absolutely no way. I know many speakers that are like, Jared, I'm too old to be a TikToker. Don't do TikTok then. Go figure out LinkedIn. Go master LinkedIn. Master even photos. I know some speakers that they don't like the video thing, but they do photos at every single event. Photos still show you in front of an audience. That still takes away uncertainty when people are trying to book you. They see you in front of a lot of people. They may not know what your message is about as much, so there's still uncertainty on that side. But as long as you're good on the calls and you can explain to them and give them value on the call and they see that other people have trusted you, you can still get the job done. At the end of the day, I think we're just making too many excuses because we're scared. Look, you might be in the wrong business then, because the content is just another platform, just like the stage that you speak from. So if you're a good speaker on stage, then you need to learn how to be a good speaker on a platform like Instagram or TikTok or YouTube. You need to. And that's pretty much it for this video. I don't know what else to say besides pull that phone out and start filming. And if you want to learn more about what cameras and what lighting and what lenses that you get, I'm going to put a list of the things that I have personally right now at this time down below. But also just know that I'm updating my equipment as often as I possibly can because content is that important to me. So if you have any questions 2 or 3 months down the road, you see that maybe I'm using something different, or you're like, Jared, what camera is that? Just ask me in the community. I'll let you know. There's no gatekeeping. There's no secrets here. Peace.